Hi everyone, Joe Phillips here. I want to take a minute and thank each of you for some incredible news I received today. I learned today that in the PMP class, we have sold over 275,000 people. 275,000 people have enrolled in that course, and I am blown away. Not how I imagined my life to turn out. I consider myself very, very lucky, very grateful for each of you. I'm at a loss for words. I just found out about this and I wanted to reach out to all of you and tell you thanks. I also learned that our CAPM class, I have my 3x5 card here to keep my notes straight. I learned our CAPM class, we have over 60,000 people have enrolled in that course. So again, very thankful, very grateful for each of you that have enrolled and taken my course. I learned the PMI ACP course, we have over 40,000 people enrolled. That is just amazing. I'm so honored and thankful, and I'm really proud of that course, and just blown away at a number like that. It's amazing. And then the time and task course, I learned we have over 30,000 people enrolled in the time and task course, something that I was not expecting, and just blown away, for lack of a better word. So I want to thank each of you for your trust and your time in these courses. I am the luckiest guy I know. I'm so thankful for each of you, and I'm also thankful for my team. Thankful for Angela Lemons, who answers a great deal of questions on Udemy and on my site at instructing.com. And also, of course, for my assistant, Amanda Chambers, who coordinates a lot of our social media and helps with the instructional design. And I could not do it without these two tremendous ladies. And so I'm very grateful for them and their time and their help. So I just want to take a minute and just pop in here, I guess a couple of minutes now, and thank each of you for enrolling in my classes and your faith and confidence in these courses. Just overwhelmed at the letters and the surprise at the amount of people that have enrolled. So thank you all. And I hope to continue to serve you with future classes coming up in the new year. I just released the course on Scrum, that if you haven't seen that, it's on Udemy, so check out Scrum. I'll put the link in the description. And releasing a course soon on PMBOK 7 that I know many of you have asked about. So that's in the works right now. I've been working on that and should be out here in a few weeks. So look for updates here in this space. I'll keep you all posted. Thank you again, and keep moving forward.